Here at N-Hance, one of the things we know is that certain areas of your floors really need special attention. When the rain comes, you really don't want the water getting on your wood. Those areas that get greater wear need greater attention. And those would be your entryways, the hallways, and certainly your stairs. We can come in and just do those areas every few years, or whenever they start to show signs of wear, that it's gray, that it's discolored, that it's dull and lifeless. That's what this maintenance coating is about. Get us in before the rain to take care of your wood. That's N-Hance at its best.